Hi everybody, say hi Tiffany.
Hi!
This is Tiffany with Atlanta Flips, and we are here in a project that we're finishing up, doing the finishing touches on, and Tiffany's going to talk to us about why we chose to shiplap this wall. Tell them a little bit about what it is, Tiffany, why we chose to shiplap the wall, just tell them the truth of the matter, and how to install the shiplap.
Alright, so the reason we chose to shiplap this wall is obviously the drywall and framing was a little less to be desired. So what we wanted to do was give our new homeowners a perfect product. In process of that, we also give the wall strength and character to go with the modern farmhouse look. As you can see, we have an awesome barn door that we hung yesterday.
Which I want to point out, we're going to change those gold screws for black. That was not supposed to happen, but it is okay. Barn door. Kind of roll it and show them how beautifully it's just so gorgeous. So that barn door opens up into the master bathroom, and the way the bathroom is designed, the wall, you see a drywall. So we're going to give it the character.
Right. Give it
make it look like that's what we meant to do.
Exactly. So we will install the shiplap, and you always want to make sure that you start with your shiplap. Usually you would start from the bottom and go up, and you make sure it's level on the bottom. In this case, there was no trim down and the tile was still being done, and we had to make some modifications because the top was a little bit shorter.
I'm embarrassed to show the top as it's finished right now, but
it'll look amazing.
Yeah, we'll go back and show the finished product, and you'll see
absolutely
what our big plans are for this.
Exactly. So when you walk into the master bathroom, when you slide the door open, you'll have a nice dressing mirror here. And what you will end up with is some floating shelves for your towels and all those things over in the left-hand corner. But the deal about shiplap is if you're going to install it and you want a true shiplap look, you have to make sure you have this gap. If you flip the boards the wrong way, they will butt up solid up against each other. So to do that, you just have to make sure sometimes you have to play jigsaw and flip the boards a few times. But once they're up and they're level, they look fabulous. You get them caulked and painted, and this will look like we originally did it on purpose.
Absolutely. And so I also want to point out that this line on the side, we're going to camouflage that, make it really pretty, finish it off, because it's all about the finishes and what I like to call the finishing touches that make or break the sale of our house. So there's still a lot of work here to do, but I can't wait for you to see the after pictures.
Me either.
It is a gorgeous, this will be a gorgeous house, and we'll get a buyer super quick. So thanks Tiffany for your expertise. We appreciate you. All right, this has been Tracy and Tiffany with Atlanta Flips.